Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Honorable Kennedy akomprekwe Japan ni baby mama Madam Moira or the ensem bia to jada busan for make ascension no yenti ensem madam ede etudra efa Honorable Kennedy akomprekwe Japan na eye Marie amwakwabwedu asisi wakwakofa na oye campaign a Marie Marie ka ensema kese a ense emfata yenti ensema odetudwa
Zebre teacher trainee zebre the ordinary Ghanaian na onama bonti onim sa ne ma we no nyina and na Ghana ni na onama bonti no like I told MP na Mishia no London ha Beth Enrichi MP na Mishia no make a kire no me say your former president John Mahama ye nim no and I started a mail list John Mahama track record
Mutie
market.
This is Marie going to list me patra one recorder here kakre nkotimpo one recorder her. She's going to list the wonderful things John Dramani Mahama has done. Hey Marie, ube wuntem.
And then you know like I told MP na Mishia no London Beth Enrichi MP na Mishia no make a kire no me say your former president John Mahama ye nim no and I started a mail list John Mahama track record Kotograma market KJT market Ho airport Terminal 3 Kutuka Pokwasi interchange Circle Dubai UGMC Rich Hospital me shasem
Senya mishrawa watanfo omumpo na omugbo wabodin. Hey, prosperity.
And then you know like I told MP na Mishia no London Beth Enrichi MP na Mishia no make a kire no me say your former president John Mahama ye nim no and I started a mail list John Mahama track record Kotograma market
thank you
KJT market Ho airport Terminal 3 Kutuka Pokwasi interchange Circle Dubai UGMC Rich Hospital me shasem afi akwat audio this or shep me nimdi or shep me come na me honorable mo be opposition or see o me abana.
So right now you are fighting for Ken because you believe that Ken can do all of these things that John Mahama, because Ken has used 24 years to build the biggest coastal that has not started operating. Yo.
Say hey, and for the age means na me see it for my Ghana your former president there this year ni mono
Mate,
your former president John Mahama ye ni mono and the Japan ye ni mono wa ka gina ye ni mo
Muntie
asemi ni wa ka gina ye ni mo
Muntie
Kennedy ye ni mono John Mahama ye ni mono mo so wona wen and me quote is our Bible scripture na ya make no Paul we know Jesus we know wo so wona wen we don't know you people we don't know Bawumia. The little we know about Bawumia is so the Ghana come back to IMF.
We know Kennedy Japan as the MP who has never been a minister or deputy. You said he doesn't even deserve to be an assemblyman. That's beside the point. But we don't know the current vice president. But we know the former president that you have come to.
No, and the 14 million plus Ghanaians on the voters register, they are more than the 6,000 NPP super delegates. They are more than the 200,000 delegates in November. And if they pass 14,000, they will speak. Now, another thing MP before need to understand. 2016, Muyi John Mahama with 1 million votes. 2020, gap no close. John Mahama closed the gap with about 500,000 votes. What makes you think that John Mahama cannot win the next election with 500,000 and even add more to it? For the simple fact, somebody Ghana for IMF. Now,
Mo punches now Odema NDC for mom rather no. Mo wa futu pa Odema NDC for no. Eya futu papa good points pa NDC for no one Jimmy wa wenyim de daw. Little brains be like ayen mpo ye ba zibi ba kaka won sister. Ziule nim no bi amfra wa hafa wa futu no. Fao NDC for mama wa ma fufu no. So one stroke girl ya in the year one last time. When you be zagor, one man warning, one ya one song, one camera, one man warning. Yo,
I make catch that me say. So when him say Ada John Kuma can, we will not go to IMF today, we will not go to IMF tomorrow. That was the day I put 2024.
Did you hear that? Another point, and this is one for us say. Move on to Mutrim said. They now John Kumaka said they will not go. That is the time they lost, which means she's just giving us pointers why it is guaranteed that they will not break the 8. And this woman is standing on NPP ticket through Canada, Japan. Over there, NPP paying for what sanction Canada, Japan, no court is there. So what's the girlie? Once work can't change among NPP as some what's the work because of honor. Now NDC for. How can she force herself door about Bakajo Ramana some noble two for or by force or by force? Miss Rebecca campaigner, my Kevin Taylor, not Kevin Taylor, but mom season disaster. Who the fuck am I? Whom am I? Whom am I? Chidam cultural petition, Mukosumo Panichao. No, okay. I will give you the honorary right to just write Kevin. Don't write the rest. Foolish woman. Young, no matter for me one. In Jawata, I say Kevin for president 2028. I said so.
I say not. Messi, yes, that was the day I put Lucy in. Another time I was on Lucy 2024. Hey, that more than Monsaka pension is missing.
More another point now, dear mamma, no fan punching, mobile fan punching NPP for no or see that is another. Meanwhile, she is talking for NPP, so I want to understand why. Does she see what she's doing? Is she doing it on purpose? Is she being controversial on purpose so that she gets this sort of recognition, like she's this sort of, and she doesn't mind, she doesn't care. With me, one more man is kaho. Muni pafona. Moko man is kano. Makoto musia mamuhu. Makoto musio amamu. Na Miss Mara Rebecca Sankatinga so no be amam $1,000 and I'm sister. Hey, sister Arabanyami, I'm 500 and BBC this boy. My phone call dollars in the 1,000 one on channel. But no was 500 million. Or I'm the mom $50 in. Hey, Nanchamino be a mom $50 a month. Send your Macy ship house. This is my Arabanyami baby. I can feel Phoebe and me show me. I, that's it. One say
DD is NPP. MPP for 2024 day without Kennedy Japan, MPP is done. And you see, the more now the days, air corner, all these shenanigans are playing out, the more the MPP is becoming very unattractive to majority of Ghanaians.
Is this supposed to be positive for MPP that she campaigns for? Okay.
Right now, a lot of Ghanaians don't want to know. Oh, they just don't want to know.